Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a vocabulary spelling quiz using the Quiz and Survey Master plugin. To create our spelling quiz, I have created a dummy WordPress website using InstaWP. It's one of the finest platforms to create disposable WordPress website to test your ideas and tools for free. Here, you can build a quick disposable WordPress website in no time. So, let's dive into this. Alright, so I have already created and installed the QSM plugin on my website. To see how to install QSM plugin on your website, click on the information card in the top right corner of this video. Let's start by creating the quiz. Number 1 is to hover over QSM and then click on Quizzes or Surveys. Next is once you click on Create a Quiz or Survey, the first thing we see is to select a theme for the quiz. QSM has a collection of stunning themes, but for now, let's go with the default theme and click on Next. Lastly, on the quiz setting, we get an option for the initial setup of our quiz. Let's select a name for the quiz and select what kind of form we are using. Time limit, you can set a timer to your form. You could also select if you want only logged-in users to be able to fill the form. Let's not do that for a time being. Now comes the add-on section, where we get to see the most used or popular add-ons of QSM. You could select any add-ons as per your requirements to add more features to your quiz, forms, or surveys. We don't need to add any add-ons, so let's click on Create Quiz. Here comes the Questions tab, wherein we can enter our questions for the social life quiz. Let's enter the questions for our quiz. Let's start with the first one, to know the user's vocabulary. Here you have to enter your question in the description box with the %blank% variable for the blank space. On the right-hand side, you can choose the type of question and answer from the drop-down. I am taking the fill-in-the-blank type for all the questions and writing the correct answer. You can give the points or correct or incorrect for their respective answers. I am giving the points to the answer to show you the results. And if you want, you can mark the question as required, so this question can't be skipped. Then click on Save Question. Since our first question is saved, let's click on Create a Second Page question at the bottom of the Questions tab. For this question, we will be selecting the fill-in-the-blank question type. You have to enter your question in the description box with the %blank% variable on the blank space, and writing answers with respective points. Now, I am creating a third page question and repeating the same process, and then click on Save Question once you're done. And now all the questions are saved. Let's set up a contact field to collect the details of the applicants. Click on Add New Field. Let's select the field type as a small open answer and label it as Name. Let's select the Use For section and select Name there. And then let's add another contact field to take the respective date. And let's select the field type as Date and label it as Date. Next, let's select the Use For section and select Business there. And then let's click on the Save Contact field. Now, since our questions for the quiz is set and the contact field is configured to collect all the user details, let's set our final result page for the quiz as per the score. So go to the Result Pages tab. Here, you can set conditions as to you when this page should be shown. I am not putting any conditions here for this quiz. Secondly, we have to design the final result page that we have to show people. So, enter the message and take different variables from these templates. I am taking the username and average score of these two variables to put in my message. I am also writing the correct answers for the user's reference. To beautify your result page, you can upload the image also in the description. And let's preview our spelling quiz by clicking on the preview icon at the top right corner of the page. As you can see, we have created a vocabulary quiz successfully with all the separate 3 pages with one question on each page, and it's working just fine. Also, you can see the timer running on the rightmost bottom of the page. And finally, the result page, we have successfully added the score and the correct answers here. And that's all for this tutorial. Stay tuned for new tutorials. Until next time, bye-bye and stay safe.